Hey guys, welcome to Weller. Today I'll show you how to view your Epic Games password. Quickly, there are three ways. Two on your phone, one on your computer. On your phone, specifically on iPhone, there's an app called Passwords. Go there and all your saved passwords will be stored. But if you have Android or this feature doesn't work, you can also go to Google, tap on your account, tap down here on passwords, and here you'll find your password manager which also stores passwords. And there might be a password here too. As for the computer, for example, open your browser here and click on the three dots. Well, it's all a bit different depending on the browser, but specifically in this browser, which is Edge, there's a section here called passwords, literally passwords. You can go in and view your passwords. In other browsers, it might be found in different places. For example, in Google Chrome, it's the built-in password manager from Google. That's all on this. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This was Weller. Follow me on Twitter or GX, link in the channel description. Have a great life, good luck everyone, see ya.